Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been holding XDC or looking for a smart way to grow your crypto, today's video is going to be a super helpful. We are diving into how you can stake your XDC using PrimeStaking, a secure and easy platform built around the XDC ecosystem. From earning rewards to tracking your staking history, claiming and even withdrawing, I am going to cover everything in a one simple walkthrough. Let's start with the basic. To stake XDC, you first need some in your wallet. Once that's ready, head over to PrimeStaking.xyz and connect your wallet. From the home page, go into the XDC Liquid Staking section. There, you just enter the amount you want to stake and confirm the transaction. After that, something cool happen. Your wallet receives psXDC tokens. This represent your staked XDC and they automatically start earning rewards from the very first second. That's one of the best thing about XDC staking. It's instant and seamless. Now let's talk about claiming rewards. Just go back to the same staking page. You have been seen a claiming button. Click it anytime you want to collect your rewards. The returns are around 6% APY and everything is sent straight to your wallet in XDC. You are in a full control, no locking periods or waiting just to see your earnings. If you are curious about how rewards are adding up, head to the rewards history tab. It shows your stake balance over time, how many rewards you have accumulated and how much you have already claimed. The visual make it easy to track your staking journey. If you are planning to withdraw, that's easy too. Go to withdrawal tab, enter how many psXDC you want to unstake and hit request withdrawal. The waiting time can range anywhere from 1 hour to 32 days, depending on when you make the request. Once it proceeds, your original XDC will be returned to your wallet. And for those holding the older version psXDC, there's a migration tab where you can instantly upgrade to psXDC. Just one click and you are on the latest staking format with full access to rewards and platform updates. So that is a full walkthrough of how to stake, claim, track, withdrawal and migrate on Prime Staking. All built around the XDC network. It's simple, secure and makes your XDC work for you instead of sitting idle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this with someone who wants into XDC. Drop your question in the comments. I will try to reply to everyone and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on staking, DeFi and everything happening around XDC. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.